Good morning, my chat partners. Welcome back to my channel. It's Wednesday morning, so let me just say good morning. Got out the shower. So right now, it's what? Let me see. I'm trying to see if you guys can see. It's 6:50 a.m. Eggs boiling for my salad. I just decided to start prepping my food for my lunch today. I guess I can use this avocado because it's a little softer than the other. When I get to work, I'm gonna sit it out on my desk so maybe it can start getting more riper. That's what you want to call it, or get more, yeah, riper. What's wrong with you? Go get in your bed. You okay? Princess. That's so funny, y'all. Let me tell y'all something. What's wrong with you? Hold on, y'all. You alright? Let me tell y'all how my dog is. I was in the shower, she was in the bathroom and everything, just laying there relaxing, following me around. But then I could feel when she's not following me, so I'm looking around for her, and she was in the living room in her bed. And I went in there and she was just sitting in there, and I was like, what in the world wrong with Princess? As soon as I started talking to y'all, here she come in the kitchen because she being nosy. Like, get ready to rinse some spinach off, rinse some tomatoes off. So, I'm trying to think. You okay? Let me get off this camera so. Okay guys, I just wanted to come in here with you guys briefly. My spinach has been rinsed. My eggs have finished boiling. Here is my tomatoes that I'm going to cut up later on and put in my salad when I make it. And some strawberries. So for my snack today, I'm going to have an apple, little wheat thins, and some cheese. Here's the oatmeal that I'm going to take. It's the raisin date and walnut. So I'm going to take the oatmeal. I'm just checking back in with you guys. I'm ready to cook dinner. I'm gonna cook some kale, sweet potatoes, and some ground turkey. Hold on one moment, y'all. Okay guys, here's the sweet potatoes I just cut up. I cut up 2 sweet potatoes and let those come to a boil and let them simmer for a little while, and just so they get soft. Okay guys, welcome back. So I went out ahead and cut up the sweet potato. Got those on the stove cooking now. I just cut up an onion, turkey cooking, and I'm going to let that cook for a little while before I add the garlic. So now what I'm getting ready to do is go through this bag of kale. Had to get me a garbage bag, put in the sink with the kale, what I'm working with right quick. Okay, I got me a little similar line going, so that's the kale. This is the garbage bag, and this is the cleanser bowl, I guess is what you call it. And I got my shears here. So like I was saying, what I'm going to do is just go through the kale bag, and the pieces that look like this, with that little hard piece, I'm gonna just cut the leaf off. Just cut the little leaf off and put this in the garbage because I don't like to eat that part, it's too hard. which I'm sure I should probably eat that, but I don't like it. Why does it look like a bat wing or something, don't it? I'm crazy. Okay, guys, I got half of the kale cut up. I ain't gonna say half, but a little bit under half of the bag cut up. Okay, guys, I have a question. I'm sitting here watching some show on Netflix, and they got like a whole spread of food, like Brussels sprouts, turkey, string beans, the whole 9 yards. So it just made me think, like, all that food that be on the tables in movies, is that food real or is it like fake food? And if it is real food, who actually cooks the food? Like, how can you apply for that particular job to be a cook to cook food that's on display in movies? It's just a question that I just want to ask y'all. It's just a thought that came through my mind. How did they decide to come up with the menu? Start cooking my kale in a minute. This is what my turkey and onions and garlic look like. So what I have is ground turkey, onions and garlic, kale, and boiled sweet potatoes. So this is what I'm going to eat for Thursday night and Friday.